Hello, Suhaib.
Hello, Dad.
How are you, Suhaib?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. What is this in your hand?
This is the sticker.
What what kind of sticker? Oh,
It's a Superman sticker.
Superman sticker. Okay, fine.
You
Okay,
want to zoom it?
who is your favorite?
Zoom.
Okay, who is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Madman.
Batman.
Yeah.
Why you are having the Superman sticker?
But I love Superman a little bit. But I love Batman so much.
You like Batman?
Yeah.
I think you like the Iron Man.
I like Iron Man. I like Superman. I love Batman. I love also the big man, which Hulk. Their name is Hulk. And I also
But
love
Suhaib,
the Wonder Woman and also all
uh,
the superheroes.
there are so many. Who is the most favorite?
My most favorite
Yeah.
is Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
Again, Batman?
Yeah.
Okay, if you have to choose one, what you will choose?
I'll
Batman or let me see. Let me tell you some options, okay? Batman or Spider-Man?
Batman.
Only Batman.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Batman or Mr. America?
Batman.
Batman. Ah, okay. Batman or your dad?
My dad.
Your dad? Oh my
But
god.
Batman.
Oh, but Batman. What is that? But Batman. Once you have chosen your dad and that's it. Now you don't have to choose Batman again.
Now tell me Hulk or Batman.
Okay, Hulk or Batman?
I think
What?
Batman.
Again, Batman. Why you ask me to choose between Hulk and Batman?
Batman is good.
Do you know where Batman lives?
Batman. I know. Batman lives in the Bat Cave.
In the Bat Cave?
Yeah.